Hi! In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, click on Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now select Allow and while using the app in the pop-ups. And finally choose Home button. Over here tap on iOS Launcher, select Always, tap on Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always switch between them by going into Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, Advanced, and then Default Apps. Over here tap on Home app. If you wish to go back into your default launcher, tap on Moto App Launcher. And if you wish to switch to iOS, tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!